Mendoza from Fantasy's Hair Salon, and today I'm going to share with you some tips and techniques on how to make poofy hair look good. So a great way to make poofy hair look good is adding a little bit of a power lift. So today I'm using power lift. This is a root thickener, and what it does, it kind of thickens up your whole hair. That way it just doesn't look puffy for no reason, or sometimes our hair tends to frizz only in one place. This kind of evens out the frizz all throughout so that you don't have to worry about having frizz just in one place. So it's almost like mousse, but it's mousse and hairspray at the same time. So you want to spray up and throughout the hair. And you want to crunch as you go. Now, grabbing a little bit of your left side hair, you're going to bring it up. You're going to twist, and you're going to pin the twist right over your crown section. Now this will add a little bit of style into your puffy hair. That way you don't have a whole bunch of frizz on the top section going on. Now from the left side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to grab a section and we're going to start twisting it and bringing it up. And pinning on top of our crown. Now with our teasing comb, what we're gonna do is we're gonna evenly distribute a little bit more of a tease throughout the ends, because on our ends, they tend to look very weak and not with so much volume. So to add a little bit more volume throughout the whole hair, we're just gonna lightly tease on our hair strand all the way till we get to the tip of our hair. And once you're done with each section, with one or two sections after teasing it, you want to kind of crunch it up to create a little bit more volume on that hair. As you can see, there's a big difference of curl from the left onto the right. Our curl tends to kind of lack in the end. So with a little bit of teasing, a little bit of crunching, you'll be able to get all the hair nice and even. I'm Linda Mendoza, and I just shared with you some tips and techniques on how to make poofy hair look good.